Number 5. Senso Original XL. Brews high quality, great tasting premium coffee available in varieties. All removable parts are dishwasher safe. Revolutionizing the at-home coffee at the touch of a button. Up to 5 4-ounce cups can be brewed on one reservoir of water. Specially designed pre-measured pods, mean virtually no cleanup. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Cuisinart SS10. K-Cup compatible brewer makes 1 cup at a time. Compatible with any brand of single cup pod including Keurig K-Cup pods. Removable 72-ounce water reservoir charcoal water filter. Rinse feature instantly cleans the inside of the brew chamber. Auto on/off and adjustable temperature control. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Hamilton Beach 49976. Brew a single cup or a full pot of coffee with this 2-in-1 coffee maker. 2 easy fill reservoirs and easy view water windows. Carafe side with programmable timer and 2-hour auto shut-off. Single brewing side lets you brew into a cup or 8 inches tall travel mug. Brews up to 10 ounces with a K-Cup pod or 14 ounces with ground coffee. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Keurig K575. Large 80 ounces water reservoir. Multiple K-Cup pod brew sizes. A strength control setting allows you to brew a bolder cup. Extra large color touchscreen. A digital clock makes it easy to brew a fresh, great tasting cup in under a minute. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Nespresso Pixie. Easy insertion and ejection of capsules. Compact brewing unit technology. Fast preheating time, 30 seconds. Backlit LED water level detection indicators. Removable water tank, 24 ounces or 0.7 liter. Please check the description for details and best price.